Sup y'all, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and we're coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. Y'all may be noticing that I'm not in my normal set because in this video we're going to be talking about how you can deposit cash in the Venmo app, and you will need to go to a store, or in particular a Walmart, to make that happen. Hence that's why I'm in my car, because I'm going to be heading there shortly. So first off, you want to make sure that you have a Venmo debit card. If you don't, there's another way that you can also deposit cash, but it's probably easiest if you have the Venmo debit card. So if you haven't gotten that and you want one, check this video out that goes over the details on how you can get a Venmo debit card. With that out the way, let's go ahead and drive over to the Walmart and cover how to deposit money, because I have some money to deposit myself. So I'm currently walking up to the Walmart that's closest to me to go ahead and deposit some money into my Venmo account. So let's show y'all how to do this. Once you've arrived at the Walmart, you want to go to the money services inside of the Walmart. If the Walmart doesn't have one, then go to the customer service center and let them know that you would like to deposit money into your Venmo app and ask them where they should go. They'll take care of you from there. Once there, you'll be asked if you want to deposit money using the Venmo debit card or the scan code. If you have the Venmo debit card, pull it out and you'll be asked to insert the Venmo debit card. If you don't have a Venmo debit card, you can still add cash to your account. They'll just need to see your QR code. You want to click the scan button that's at the top of the screen and click on Venmo Me. This will give them the QR code they need to go ahead and move forward with the transaction. Once your card has been read, you remove the card, and how much it will cost will appear on the screen just so you'll know. The representative will also let you know the processing fee, which is $3.74. This amount will be deducted from the total amount of money you give them, so you want to take that into consideration when depositing money. The transaction will then appear on the screen, which will be the total amount of money that you're depositing minus the processing fee. Confirm the amount by clicking on yes, and the transaction will be complete and you'll be given the receipt. Now that that's been done, let's go over to my transactions, and we see that the money I deposited, which is around $22, is now in my account. And when we go to transactions in particular, it says money added. When I click on it, this is classified as a funds transfer, and it also shows the location of the Walmart that you use to deposit funds in. Now that we covered how to do this, let's cover some things that you should know if you're going to be depositing money in your Venmo account. You should know that the processing charges for this is $3.74. That is a bit steep, so you need to take that in consideration when you're depositing money into your Venmo account. It's also important to know that this is no different from if you are buying groceries inside Walmart. You need the Venmo debit card to be able to complete the transaction. This leads into you want to make sure that your debit card is actually active before you try to add money, because if you've disabled your card, the transaction will be declined and you will not be able to add any money. And lastly, if you're depositing more than $300, you may be asked to provide your ID by the Walmart representative. So you want to make sure you have that on you. In terms of how long it takes for a transaction to complete, it took literally about 2 minutes from the point I was handed my receipt to when it appeared in my account, which is pretty good time. Now you might be wondering, what are the limits when it comes to adding cash to your Venmo account? You need to be depositing a minimum of $20. Any less than $20, and the representative will inform you that they won't be able to make the deposit. So it would have to be at least $20. In terms of transactions in general, you can deposit between $20 and $500 per transaction. There's a maximum of 3 transactions for a combined total of $999.99 per rolling 24 hours. A maximum of 7 transactions for a combined total of $3,000 per rolling 7 days, and maximum of 20 transactions for a combined total of $4,000 per calendar month. This article that's been provided by Venmo will also be linked in the description. With that being said, that covers all you need to know about how to deposit cash into your Venmo account. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. And if there's someone you know that needs to deposit cash into their account but they don't know how, feel free to send them this video so they can get clarity on how to do so. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.